let's understand together the meaning of standard deviation. Suppose we have 6 numbers as 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. The first thing we're going to do is get their mean. As we all know, the mean can be calculated as a sum of x over n. So in this example, calculating the mean for these five numbers is n in all these numbers divided by their count, which will give us 8. So the mean is 8. Remember that number. X bar, which is the mean, is equal to 8. Our goal is to find how far each point is from the mean. So we're going to construct a table. Remember that the mean is equal to 8. In this table, for each value of x, we calculate how far, or the difference, it is from the mean. So for example, the first value is 6. How far is 6 from 8? We're going to calculate 6 minus 8, which will give us negative 2. The same thing goes with 7. 7 minus 8 is negative 1. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. However, we have a problem. There are negative values. To solve this problem, we're going to square this difference. So for every difference we got, we're going to square it to remove the negative values. The column that I highlighted over here, we're going to find the mean of these values, the average of these values. This is what we call the variance. So the variance is like we calculated the mean of the differences between each value and the mean. This is called the variance, and it is to the power of 2. So that's why it's called sigma squared. It is for every distance or difference between each point and the mean, we calculate its power 2 or its square, and you get the average of these differences. So there's the sum of these differences, 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4 equal to 10. 10 divided by 5, which is their count, is 2. The variance over here is called 2. However, since we did the squaring, we have to square root, and that's where the standard deviation comes from. Square rooting, I mean the variance. So we got the variance as 2. Square rooting it will give us radical 2, or approximately 1.41. That's as a meaning how far on average each point is from the mean, which was 8. So let's recap the steps that we did. First, we calculate the mean of the values we have. Then we find the difference between each point and the mean. We then square this difference. We square it to remove any negative values. Then we find the average of the differences we found, also known as the variance. This average is also known as the variance, which is sigma squared equal to x minus x bar all squared over n. Then we take the square root of this variance to get the standard deviation. Moreover, there's another form for the standard deviation, which can be written as square root of sum of x squared over n minus x bar all squared. To know the derivation of this rule, I will leave a link to another video. Watch it if you want to know. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe for more.